The signal echoes through the land that now is the end of June. And you stand there in front of me, more lovelier than a blossoming tree. What is your name, I ask, and you reply, Melanie, Melanie, Melanie. You say your name is Melanie. It is rare to find a girl whose name matches her beauty. You are brighter than a shooting star. You know who you really are. I have not done much in my life, but with you I could go far. Take me to heaven on your magic carpet ride. Show me the thrill of happiness as we continue